2.5 setup, 2 1/4 all the way back to 3-inch tips. Sorry, they're cutting trees over there, so it's loud. There's the 3-inch tips right there. There's the duals. So we'll let you guys hear it in a minute. Hope you guys like it. Let you hear it. It don't sound too bad at all. Classic, he's still working on it. Work in progress. Going to the paint shop next.
Over the edge, feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing.